Hello higher class and welcome to week 2, lesson 1. Remember, I'm online for the duration of when you should be getting this lesson, so make sure you ask questions when you're stuck. The reason why I'm not doing live lessons is to allow you to move through the lesson at your own pace, stop and pause it and go over things and ask questions while I'm online without having to talk to anybody else while you're doing it. So, week 2, lesson 1. So the learning intention for today's lesson is, by the end of the lesson, you will have gathered data on the mental, emotional and social factor in softball in the most effective way. By the end of the lesson, you will have begun an outline of the cycle of analysis for the mental, emotional and social factors for softball. By the end of the lesson, you will have also completed the quiz to enter your results in assignments. So task 1, data gathering. So we analysed these methods last week, so now we're actually going to take part in them. In files, there's a very short data gathering booklet which contains the focus and concentration test for the mental factor of concentration, the sports competition anxiety test for the emotional factor of anxiety, and the fielding roles and responsibilities questionnaire for the social factor of roles and responsibilities. Today your task is to complete them. You can either download them and do it in the Word document, or you can print them off and do them on a piece of paper. Remember to keep them though. Before you complete them though, use the knowledge you gained from analysing them last week. This will allow you to complete it in the most effective way. You know they can become permanent records, so save them so you can refer back to them and use them to track progress. You know they can be portable, so take the test to a quiet place in your house to complete them, to allow you to have full focus to get accurate data to base a PDP on. You know it is based on opinion, so be honest, which means you will gather accurate data to base a PDP on. You know if you don't understand them, I'm online, so ask me questions to allow you to know what you are doing to collect accurate data to base a PDP on. Take note of how long they take, but don't rush it, take your time. Do that now. Once you've completed the tests, now you're on to task 2. So you're going to begin to sketch our cycle of analysis for the mental factor. So on a piece of paper or in your jotter, I'd like you to copy down this diagram with the headings in the right places as well. And all I'd like you to do today is put in the data gathering method for concentration in box 1. That's it. Pause the video here and copy this sketch down. We're going to do it for anxiety as well. Copy this down on your piece of paper in your jotter, a separate one, and just answer the data gathering method. What was our data gathering method for anxiety today? Leave the rest blank. Final one, roles and responsibilities. Copy this down again and put the data gathering method we use for roles and responsibilities for softball in the box at the top there. Leave the rest blank. This is so that you can build up an image of the cycle of analysis for each of the factors throughout our softball block. Final task. Now complete the quiz named Week 2 Quiz 1. All it's asking you to do is enter your test score results. Make sure you do this. So that's us for lesson 1 today. For my higher girls class, this will be just period 1 on the Monday. There's another lesson for period 2 in the files as well, or in the assignments as well. You'll be able to see it. Both video lessons as well. For my other higher class, this is obviously period 5 and 6 on a Tuesday, so same for you. This is for period 5 and the next lesson is for period 6. Take care everyone, remember I'm online. And I was getting a few questions saying that I haven't done softball so I can't do this. No one's done softball. This is us beginning the softball block, doing it as online learning. So we're doing the theoretical parts just now, which is why we're not focusing on the physical factor. Okay, take care. Speak to you soon. I'm online.